White papers are one of the most powerful assets you have in your arsenal to funnel in high-quality leads. In fact, 71% of B2B buyers used white papers to analyze purchasing decisions. In this video, I'll give you my exact step-by-step tutorial on how to write a white paper and then how to promote it. I'm Mike Ploger with Visme, and I want to help you design better for your business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or even a subscribe to help us reach other folks just like you trying to uplevel your brand and design. How should I structure a white paper? A white paper should include a cover page, table of contents, executive summary, introduction, detailed body sections, conclusion with a call to action, references, and appendix. A clean professional design enhances retention, so here is how you can make it happen. Number 1, start with a template. Creating a white paper from scratch can be pretty tricky. Thankfully, there is a full library of white paper templates available for you at visme.com that you can simply customize according to your needs. Find ready-made templates that fit your topic or content requirements in Visme's white paper template library. Here are a few of my favorites. Number 2, create an enticing cover page. Just like your title, your white paper's cover page is the first thing they will see. Make sure it compels them to read further. The design of your cover page should support your title by giving it context. It should also establish the theme of your white paper. Here's an example of a white paper cover page from a Visme template. When choosing a visual from your cover page, make sure it is 100% relevant. If you're not confident in your design skills, stick to what the template offers or use the Visme AI image generator. Number 3, add relevant imagery and maintain branding. Every piece of imagery that you select must have a purpose. If you're adding visuals for decorative purposes, make sure that they are relevant and support the content some way or somehow. If your company has corporate photography, use that instead. Using branded imagery helps with credibility and thought leadership status. Number 4, use a consistent color scheme. The colors in your white paper must be balanced and harmonious throughout all of the pages. Use color themes to change all the colors in a document with one click. It's so much faster than changing the color of every single element one by one. Keep it consistent and make sure you are following your company's brand principles when it comes to color, typography, and messaging. Number 5, make your data beautiful. With imagery to visually support your content, you'll also need data visualizations to support your research and analysis. You can choose from line, bar, and pie charts, gauges, maps, timelines, infographics, data widgets, and more. No matter which type of data visualization that you use, it has to look good. Inside the Graph Maker, you can customize the chart's appearance with colors, topography, and positioning of legends so it matches the rest of your white paper design. Notice how this bar chart design blends in seamlessly with the rest of the content? How to publish and promote your white paper. Create a live link. When you publish your white paper to the web, you can exchange a download for an email sign up as a way to generate leads. If you want to collect emails in exchange for distribution, simply add a sign up form or create a password protected entry. You can even add the option for viewers to download as a PDF version of the white paper. When you choose this option, you can track opens and views with the Visme Analytics dashboard. Embed it into your website. When you publish your white paper digitally, you can not only share it as a link, but you can also embed it onto your website. Doing this will keep readers on your site longer and they'll have a better opportunity of getting to know your brand. Just like when you share a link, an embedded white paper can also have a sign-up form or password protected entry. If you want to go the classic route, simply download the white paper as a PDF and send it to your readers in an email or a zipped file. Create a landing page. With this strategy, your white paper can be used as top-of-funnel content. Your white paper's landing page can either have a CTA that directs to the digital version or where on your website where you've embedded it. Better yet, set up a Visme form where you offer the link to the white paper in exchange for their email. Visme forms are not your regular forms. They can have multiple steps and customizable animation that drives 2 times conversions. Share it on social media. Try placing your cover page into an iPad mockup so people know that you're promoting a digital reading product in your post. Share promotional graphics for your white paper with Visme's social media scheduler right from the editor. Schedule it to your favorite channels or post it manually as you create the material. Distribute it to influencers and publications. Contact influencers and other publications with the news about your new white paper. If you mention any thought leaders in the white paper, share it with them as well and tag them on any social posts. Invite them to read your white paper with your live link or PDF and ask if they'll share it with their own audience. And there you have it. Now you can create a comprehensive white paper that will showcase your authority on your topic. I'm Mike Ploger, helping you design better for your business, and if you're interested in more content, check out these videos and I'll see you next time.